Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that why my diesel engine is running badly. Okay, there is probably situation that this your diesel engines, this gasket is leaking. This is old and now I show it is copper and just specific tools in our diesel engine, and we have to use always just original parts. And why this diesel engines fuel injectors gasket is so important? There is only situation that diesel engines, these pistons compression rates, they are so high. They are so high pressure, they are like 30 bars. It is 300% more than gasoline engines. And that's all of these gaskets, they must to be new. Always when we take injector away, we have to replace new copper gasket because there is so high pressure. And next I will show my pressure meter that we can look how big those bars are inside in piston. And there is really this piston compression rate meter. And now there is situation that in diesel engines there is this, now I do in here painting, there is 30 bar this pressure, and it is like 3 times higher than gasoline engines. Because if we have gasoline or this gas engine, we have only about 10 or 11. Like 10 bar is this gasoline, and diesel is like 30 bars. And that's we need to have so high quality gaskets. And this is always good to check if you have any issues in your diesel engines, that firstly you purchase new these gaskets, and especially remember this is just original specific part from like Mercedes-Benz car in my case, and it is just made for fuel injectors. Okay, that kind of information to you my friend, and please check your fuel injector that what is their status and replace new gasket, and also install just right torch in this locking bolt for this fuel injector, because this is really critical in this leak area, and this must be really well sealed by copper gasket.